Hey everyone, I'm Todd. I am excited to be restarting a weekly series on my channel called Tips Tuesday. I have a lot of exciting things coming this new year, and this series is one of them. Starting the first Tuesday of the new year, this series is all about short, simple, actionable tips to help you improve your wildlife photography, each video being only about 3 to 5 minutes long. Every Tuesday, I'll drop one video that is focused on one specific topic that'll help you become stronger and more confident in your wildlife photography. Now, I started this last year, but I've since refined it and focused the topics, and now I have an entire year planned out for these videos, and each video is going to be building on the next one. So we're going to start out pretty simple on the fundamentals, and then we're going to work on to the more advanced topics as the year progresses. So I'm really excited how this is going to go. We'll cover everything from the basics like shutter speeds, autofocus, back button focusing, all the way up into the more advanced fieldcraft techniques on how to approach wildlife, the ethics involved, and also just how to find and set up and locate wildlife in specific habitats. One of the biggest challenges with wildlife photography videos, and my videos fall into this as well, is that they're just too long and there's just too much information in them. So the purpose of Tips Tuesday is to be short, simple, actionable tips that you can use and just quickly watch and take out into the field with you. Here are just a few topics that are coming up in the coming weeks. Shutter speeds you must know for wildlife, how to use continuous autofocus the right way, back button autofocus, seasonal tips for winter wildlife, how to find wildlife using habitat knowledge, bird photography techniques that boost your keeper rate. I'd love to have you follow along from the very beginning, so be sure to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification as well, so you'll know when each new video is released. And if there's a specific topic you're interested in, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Again, I have a year planned, but I can always intersperse some new videos if there's topics that everybody really wants to learn about. My plan is to build this series with you and your interests, not just for you. So Tips Tuesday starts soon. I can't wait, and I'll see you next Tuesday.